testing the capacitors, and for some reason, I know I tested this one, it's giving me a bad reading. I don't know what happened, but don't know if it's that for sure, but I'm going to replace that capacitor. Let me put it on. It's the wrong one. I'm going to remove it and test it outside of the board. But it's giving me a bad reading. It's supposed to be what, 10 microfarads, right? So let's see. Not that bad. It's not actually not that bad, but test this one. Not that bad. I'm gonna do it again. It's not that bad. It's on the yellow, but I'm gonna replace that anyway. I decided to order a way better desolderer than this one. I'm gonna desolder that. So it's coming through Amazon because I got tired of plunging this down every time. My thumb gets tired of repressing all over again constantly. So the one I got was about $250. This was getting annoying and ridiculous. So I'm waiting for that to come in so I can do the, so I can put the what do you call it, the socket back in for that other chip, for the pokey chip, because I had a hard time putting this PIA socket in, really hard time. But because there's 40 pins, 20 on each side, so I'm gonna put the socket back in today. I'm still going with this Freddy chip until I get another Freddy chip. I won't be able to test this, but I'm going to replace this capacitor anyway. And I'm going to test it out of the board. It's really not that great. It's alright if you want to remove one thing, but if you're removing, like, you know, something that has a lot of pins, it's really hard to get it out of the, because the solder kind of stays inside the hole, so it doesn't like pull it out of the hole. So sometimes I have to use something else. Let me hold that, because I think it'll get hot. It's hot, burn my fingers. I already burned myself like 3 times already. Alright, got it out. Got it out. It's out. So I'm going to test it outside. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Negative, positive. Start low. Turn it on. See what's going on. Got it right? Gotta make sure this doesn't touch. Close together. It's actually reading a little over like the other one was showing. It's about 12. It's supposed to be 10. Yeah, 11.89, 11.90. So it's a little over. I don't think it's that bad, but I'm going to replace it anyway. What am I doing? It's really not that bad. Where's the other tester? I'll test it outside. It's not that bad. This is not the problem. It's not that, really not that bad, but I'm gonna replace that anyway. Alright, so I just received it. My new desoldering gun. So it's pretty cool. Press this button here. It sucks it. It feels a little warm now. There's a knob here to adjust to how hot. So right now, I believe I got it at the lowest for now. I gotta test. I gotta test it first. Alright, let me just disconnect this. So I gotta try to desolder those holes there from that chip, because I gotta put in the socket and put that chip back in, the pokey chip. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Where's my glasses? Oh, I gotta get my glasses too. Let me get my glasses. So I'm gonna just suck out these holes. Let's see. Okay, looks pretty good. Alright, that looks good. Alright. So I'm gonna finish this off. So definitely, that gun is not bad at all. Works pretty good. Cleaned up all those holes I was having trouble with. Now I just gotta put in the socket. Just gonna align these pins like that. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Tape it down. Put the black tape to hold it down temporarily while I solder those in. I kind of was thinking about completely just removing all of these memory chips, test them. At least I get them over with, test them out before this Freddy chip comes in, because it's going to take a while. And then put these in sockets. Maybe I'll even take these chips out and also put these in sockets also. Test them out, put them in sockets. You know, while I'm here and I got that gun that is going to remove the solder right away, you know. I'll think about it. You know, instead of fully test all of these chips completely. Probably do that. Maybe to take this one out too. I think I have a replacement for that. After I do all these chips, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure out the next step. Okay. So I've finished off the socket. Just clean it off a little bit. Looks good. Put this pokey chip back. Where it was. Make sure these pins are correct. Don't want to bend any. Oopsie. Be very careful. Putting these chips in. Before I push down, I gotta make sure. I've done that before a few times and messed it up. Okay, our chip is back in. Pokey chip is back in. Let's do a little test anyway, just in case. Doubt it's gonna work, but 'cause I didn't really do anything to it. But let's just check. Hold on. I have to plug it in. Plug it in. Where's that plug? Like that. Plugs all over the place. Same thing, black screen, okay. Okay. Now, like I said, I still believe it's that Freddy chip. But I'm thinking, should I go ahead and move something else? I don't know. Should I take another memory chip out? I really don't want to do this. Should I just wait for the Freddy chip to come in? I think I should just wait for Freddy chip. Well, let's see.